All right, greetings and good day. This is Donnie with Tech Winter, and I just wanted to do a quick unedited clip just featuring Amazon packaging waste. Typically, they do a good job with optimizing packaging. This is not one of those times, and I just wanted to unbox this because I know what's inside it. And just, I mean, it's a big box. It's got little insets on it, but I'm going to show you it's way bigger than it needs to be. So how exactly do I even get into this thing? I believe there's a pull tab right here. It's not even that much of a pull tab. Okay, it's getting opened, and there's this emptiness. And you ready for this? Some new Apple EarPods in a box this big. Amazon, I feel like there's an efficiency opportunity here. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Just by the way, if you just need cheap earpods or just plug in 3.5 millimeter, like these things are still tops. 19 bucks, but quality on them, absolutely fantastic. And the built-in microphone on this, far superior than to the Bluetooth-based Apple AirPods. So just something to keep in mind. These things still, it's a timeless design. If you have sometimes, like me, the silicone insets that you have in a lot of cheap headphones, like they just don't fit my ears very well. This design, for whatever reason, just works great for me. So it was time to just replace an old set. So here they are. But that's it for now, you guys. I'm Donnie with Tech Winter. You guys have a great day.